Welcome to Pixel LED Animator installation tutorial. After purchasing a license, download the zip archive and extract the 2 files to your desktop. Then install the drivers required for proper operation of the software. It is very important to extract the files to your desktop. This will give us all the necessary permissions. Step 2. Install Pixel LED Animator. After installation, a shortcut to Pixel LED Animator will appear on your desktop. Open the program, enter your email and activation key. That's it. Enjoy Pixel LED Animator. Good luck!